Are you worried about plaque and tartar buildup? It's a concern that's more than just aesthetic. Oral health is a key component of our overall well-being. Ignoring plaque and tartar buildup can lead to serious consequences such as gum disease and tooth decay. These conditions can cause discomfort and can even lead to more severe health issues if left unchecked. But don't worry, we'll share 7 natural ways to tackle this problem. First on our list is baking soda. No stranger to the kitchen, this humble ingredient packs a punch when it comes to oral health. Acting as a natural toothpaste, baking soda can effectively remove plaque thanks to its mild abrasive properties. It's simple to use, just wet your toothbrush, dip it in baking soda and brush as usual. Not only does it clean, but it also neutralizes acids in your mouth, preventing tooth decay. So, consider adding baking soda to your oral hygiene routine. Next, let's talk about oil pulling. An ancient practice that originated in India thousands of years ago, oil pulling involves swishing a tablespoon of oil in your mouth for about 20 minutes. This process helps break down plaque and remove toxins from your gums. It can improve oral health by whitening your teeth, freshening your breath, and reducing inflammation. Plus, it's a natural and budget-friendly method. So, why not give it a try? Oil pulling is an easy and effective way to keep your mouth clean and healthy. Our third natural remedy is aloe vera. This humble plant is a silent helper in the fight against plaque and tartar. Aloe vera's antibacterial properties target harmful oral bacteria, while its natural enzymes break down plaque. For maximum benefit, use aloe vera gel as a mouthwash after brushing. Simply swish the gel around your mouth for a minute, then spit it out. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns, it can also be a powerful ally for your oral health. Now let's move on to vitamin C-rich fruits. These juicy delights aren't just for your taste buds, they're also champions for your oral health. Vitamin C is known for its power to strengthen gums and the soft tissue in your mouth. It can also fight off those pesky bacteria that cause plaque. Fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis are high in vitamin C and a delicious way to fend off that unwanted tartar. Eating vitamin C-rich fruits isn't just tasty, it's also a great way to improve your oral health. Next up are guava leaves and clove oil. These natural wonders are packed with antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making them excellent for oral health. Guava leaves, when chewed or used as a mouth rinse, can help in reducing plaque and freshening breath. On the other hand, clove oil, applied directly to the teeth or used as a mouthwash, can relieve toothache and combat oral bacteria. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember, guava leaves and clove oil are more than just kitchen ingredients. They're also fantastic for your teeth. Last but not least, hydration and regular brushing. A well-hydrated body promotes healthy saliva production, your mouth's natural defense against plaque and tartar. Regular brushing, at least twice a day, ensures that this protective saliva is spread evenly across your teeth, preventing buildup. Pair this with a good quality toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste for maximum effect. It's about consistency and making these practices a part of your daily routine. Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. So there you have it, 7 natural ways to remove plaque and tartar buildup. From the power of baking soda to the benefits of oil pulling, aloe vera, vitamin C-rich fruits, guava leaves, and clove oil. Not forgetting the importance of hydration and regular brushing. Each method offers unique benefits, promoting not just oral health but overall well-being. Try incorporating these into your daily routine and see the difference for yourself. Here's to a healthier, brighter smile.